Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna show you how to get phone number for verify your YouTube channel. For custom thumbnail and live streaming. For verification of your YouTube channel, you need to have mobile phone or computer, already created channel and a web browser. First open your web browser and type www.youtube.com. After that, you log into your YouTube interface. Make sure you are logged into your channel. Then click here and convert to desktop mode. Then click on your channel icon and select View your channel. Click Customize channel here. After that, you quickly go into the YouTube Studio interface. Then select Open in Chrome here because you need to open two tabs together. Here in your left bottom corner, you will see the setting mark and click on the setting mark. Then go to the channel button and select feature eligibility. Finally, click on number 2 intermediate feature and go to verify your phone number button. Press it and hold for a while. Open new tab for our second step. We almost done in our first step, so let's jump into the second step. Type online SIM.io on your newly opened tab. Then click the first link here. In here, you can see 3 lines in your right upper corner. Press on it. Then sign up using email and strong password. I already signed up, so I just log with my email and password. Then select top up here. Select US dollar as currency and bank card all word for transfer method. Then select other amount here and type $1. Then you can pay $1 with your Visa card. After pay and top up your account with $1, you can select receive SMS here. Don't skip steps and watch till the end. Then click buy a number. To get a phone number, you must select a country as your preferences. As example, I choose Russia. In here, select Google, YouTube, Gmail for YouTube verification. And the prices are displayed in front of the websites. Click and buy a number. Then you will be given a random number with limited time. Before the time runs out, copy the number and paste on YouTube number verification tab with country name. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.